Hey everyone, I'm Chef Curtis, and we're talking about food as medicine.
Carrot 101 for
Ooh.
nutrition. Yeah.
Now, Emily's going to tell you what's in it. I'm going to tell you how to prepare it to get the best out of it.
That sounds
You
perfect.
like that idea?
We're a good team, I tell you what. Yes.
Shall we start cooking?
I'm ready. Yes, let's go.
The ingredients are carrots. I've got olive oil and parsley. Very, very simple recipe we can do at home.
I love carrots. They are so good for you for so many different reasons.
Okay.
So first of all, they're full of fiber, and most vegetables are high in fiber, but carrots are especially. And what fiber does is it keeps you full longer, so you feel satisfied. It promotes good gut health, and it's good for your heart as well.
I love that.
Okay.
Wow. We're going to get ready to mix them up and put them in the oven.
Sounds good. And this will keep them from sticking.
Exactly. That's the key there. We don't want it to stick.
Olive oil is one of your heart healthy fats because it's not saturated. So a little bit does go a long way. We're just going to use a little bit in this recipe because really that's all it needs to keep it from sticking and to get it roasted evenly.
Now I'm going to lay these flat on our baking dish that my wonderful dietitian has already oiled for us. Our oven's heating up to 425. Let's cook them. Now these have been roasted in the oven at 425 for about 15 to 20 minutes. I want you to start checking them at 10 minutes, okay? Because ovens run hot and some run colder, so it's according to how hot your oven is. And all we have on these carrots is what?
A little bit of olive oil,
Ooh.
but they are going to be so sweet.
Ooh, candy.
Yes.
Now we're going to top them off with a little bit of parsley.
And really you could use parsley, cilantro, I like dill as well.
Whoa. Time out, hold up, dill?
Dill.
We mostly associate dill with seafood, and you like it with...
It goes so well with carrots. Try it sometime. It's delicious.
Ooh.
Okay.
No salt, no pepper, just natural.
You don't need it.
So what do you think, huh?
That looks lovely. Those are so beautiful.
I'm Chef Curtis.
And I'm Emily.
We want you guys to come back for more of
Please.
our recipes,
Yes,
right?
come back.